Hi there. In this video we'll be taking a look at this VANON Pro battery from VANON Batteries. So this is their new lineup, which have better cells inside them, better safety, and are overall better than the original standard lineup. So let's see what we have inside. Yes, we will take a quick look also at the manual in a moment. This particular battery, they have, I will link their website in the description, they have these replacement batteries for all kind of tool brands. This particular one is for a Makita, and it's a VANON Pro 6 amp 18 volt lithium ion. Let's see. So almost fully charged, and actually I quite like these slides, and the way this feels premium. I must admit, this feels premium to the touch. This works nicely. I've seen other replacement batteries from other manufacturers where maybe this wouldn't feel as smooth, the button would be mushy, but no, this is what it needs to be. Okay, I quite like this. This is the watt hour of the battery itself and the model exactly. And this will work with the original Makita charger, so you do not need any other devices to use and charge this. You just plug it into your tools and go to town with it. So let's have a quick look at the manual. Feel free to pause at any time. I'm not going to read it to you. You can again do that and stop yourself where you need it in case you don't have this manual anymore and you have the need for it. And I think on the other side, yeah, it's German, so same thing in German, and that's about it. I'm going to treat this like a normal Makita battery, and this will be tested by my brother-in-law. He has Makita tools and he uses them on his job, so this will go on a work site and be used exactly as any other Makita battery, and he will give me his feedback on how it performs compared to his normal Makitas. Obviously in price this is much lower, so if it performs well, this is a no-brainer buy for sure. So yeah, from my side up until now, weight seems like you would expect from a 6 amp battery. I have zero issues with it whatsoever. Quite impressed about the quality up to this point. So yeah, let's continue when he starts using this, and I'll give you more info about how it works. And yes, in parallel with this, the Einhell one, which I will be testing myself in my own tools. They are more or less the same. It's just a matter of attachment and electronics made to work with Einhell instead of Makita. A bit of design differences, but minimal. They keep to their VANON design overall. So yeah, what can I say more than this? Let's test and see how everything works. And we are a few months later, and my brother-in-law is using this battery since I filmed the first part, and it's working absolutely perfectly. He says that it feels like it's a bit less than 6 amp hours, but considering the price versus a Makita battery, it's absolutely worth it. He's charging it with a normal Makita charger, using it on site. He's an electrician and he's using it basically for his work. So it's not home use, it's professional use. As you can see from it, a bit of cement dust probably on it. Working absolutely fine. Just plugged it in, but I didn't have a chance to show you. Initially it showed the red LED just for a moment, but it's fully charged. Let me try and unplug it and show you. Okay, maybe now if I plug it on video you will see the red LED, but it will soon switch, so it's now right here charging. It will soon switch to fully charged, and also it beeps this particular charger. The sound is from the fan inside of it. It's not obviously the battery itself. So yeah, this battery, it's working exactly as it should, albeit with a bit less performance than you would expect from a 6 amp hour battery, but then again the price clearly shows that, as it's much cheaper than an original Makita battery. So yeah, okay, fully charged. That's about it for this video. Thanks again Vanon for sending this in. Absolutely no issues. Mine, the Einhell type, is working perfectly also, zero problems with it whatsoever. And yeah, if anybody has any questions how this lasts over the years, feel free to ask me in the comments. I will forward the question to my brother-in-law and get back to you. And yeah, that's about it. See you in the next video.